Have you ever yawned when someone else yawned? Do you want to know why?
There are a couple of theories which explain why yawning is contagious. One of them suggests that it is a sign of empathy. The closer we are to someone such as our parents or friends, the more likely we are to catch their yawn. Another theory suggests that mirror neurons present in our brain make us copy or mimic the actions performed by someone else. Hence, when we see people around us yawn, our mirror neurons get activated, thus making us mimic their yawn. We may have evolved such characteristic to promote social bonding.